Hey everybody, welcome to the show. This is Mike Walker with Door and Lock Tips. I just ran a Carfax and got all the info, the back info on my car, and it is perfect. Hooray for me and hooray for you. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the show. Please hit the thumbs up and tell your friends about my channel. If you guys are thinking about buying a car, you should do the Carfax. Hey guys, thanks for enjoying the show. It was fun making it. You know, when you're working around nice cars and you really need to know all the info about the car, all the backstory, because, you know, who can you believe anymore? So get the facts, the Carfax. I'm not affiliated with this program in any way, shape, or form, but boy, am I sold on it. You know, for a few bucks, you get the truth. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips, kind of like this, in the future. Thanks again, guys.